Well, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. I'm at the Olds flat. I'm going to do an update, but there's not really that much to be honest. But what has happened, well, externally I've noticed, I've not really looked upstairs, but externally, finally the electrician's been. So I've yet to switch it on and off, but we have new exterior lights outside finally. And this was only just finished today. We've got a new box here. Exterior light. And it makes its way around and up. You can see now. Previously, probably due to the gas testing that was done indoors, all the digging around, we now have a crack in the wall, which is probably some kind of subsidence. I did say I wanted that concrete replaced. Well, it didn't broken up, the whole cavity filled in and the concrete replaced, but whether people listen to me or not, I don't know. And then the electric cable goes along in the trunking and around the corner. And we have another light here. So finally we have light out here at night when we're working with the bins or maybe the garden. Oh, finally the electrician has been. The ice plant, or sedum, is finally in flower, or most of it anyway. Something's been bashing around this. Maybe they're a root, I don't know, but something's knocked it. That's got to be moved back again. That's been moved. Cordeline's not looking too bad. And the hemp is there a caterpillar on there? No, the hemp is almost ready. Industrial hemp. Oh. More cyclamen. Not really much going on at the moment, to be honest. Still waiting for other parties to make their move. But at least we have the electrics done outside and maybe inside the flat. It is now September the 14th and light is fastly running out. Hoping that these tomatoes ripen, to be honest. We'll just have to see. And you can see that after all this time, this one is finally succumbing to the blight. It went all this time and it finally succumbed, but hopefully the majority will be right before the plant completely needs thrown away. One thing I noticed, I don't know where it came from, but this here, I'm sure that's a grape. I don't know where it came from, but it looks like a grape seed has germinated. I'll have to see what happens next year. I might be wrong, it might be a completely different plant, we'll just have to see, but it looks to be a grape. I've pretty much filled up this tray with more strawberries. The ones that were hanging up produced a load of runners, and it's so damp in that corner that the roots started growing, so I just planted more strawberries. That's excess stock of strawberries. And we've got the hornbeam trees. Again, we'll have to see if they ripen, but the majority are getting there. As you know, the potatoes have already been harvested and I have eaten them. Linda's cooked the potatoes for me and they were pretty nice. We got this pumpkin and I'm not sure if it's going to turn orange or not, but it's turned out to be some kind of pumpkin, so that'd be nice for Halloween if I can get into it. It's a bit small, but I don't think it's going to get much bigger than that. If it turns orange, well, we'll have to see, but I'll try and get some seeds out of it. But it still fills my hand. And it's tried to climb up, but it's not going to produce any more fruit. Just hoping it keeps feeding that fruit there, the pumpkin. Got some more of these. If I can find enough, I will pick them and give them to Linda to cook. And there will be more on the roof. But yeah, interesting seeing that what could be a grape germinated there. And this is where I picked them all off, these strawberries. And as I said, it's so damp here that roots are already extending. And you can see that now that the light is not so strong. That is about it, I think. Not much going, to be honest. We're slowing down. The cucumbers, we've got 3 more cucumbers, but they got a long way to go and they're not that big, to be honest. Hopefully this will be good to go till November. Normally a cucumber will go into November, so they're well worth growing. That is about it, to be honest. Still got the parsley. Compost bin is filling up slowly. But the main thing is the electrician's been so we have external lights now. Num num. You're going to start knocking stuff down again, eh? Yeah?